Doing a PCV bypass on this Ford 6.0. So this PCV hose usually sticks in here on the inlet side of this turbo, and it pulls gases. I'll show you. It pulls gases from the crankcase on this side of the valve cover, and it also will pull oil and soot and all this other crap. And I think it's supposed to lubricate maybe the bearings in there, and then it's an emissions control thing. And this hose on mine is just really trashed. You can see how cracked it is. I'm replacing this turbo, and I got to Googling stuff, and I realized I'm gonna just delete this. I took the clamp off of this, I covered this with aluminum tape, and then clamped it down. I think that'll work. And then this little elbow pops out there. I'm not gonna reuse that clamp. And then this one, the clamp is being a little more challenging. When I tried to spread it open with this flathead, it just broke, and yeah, you can just tell how brittle everything is. I got that off, and then I'm gonna pull this guy off maybe. Wow, come on. That is just unreal. Super tight. I'm gonna try cutting it. Grab a razor blade. Maybe I can dig a screwdriver in there and maybe get some traction. No, nothing. Nope, nothing. It's getting frustrating, if I'm being honest. Okay. Now we're opening that hose a little bit. These PCV hoses are like $50. I'm not trying to spend $50 right now on a emissions control piece that's giving me problems. Wow. Still nothing. Still nothing. Okay. Man. I am really struggling to understand. There it is. Man, okay. In order to do the delete, put that side in there, and then I think I'll be able to probably run a hose down to the cross member there, and then maybe like something like this. So I don't know. We'll play with it once we get the hose, but this piece will O-ring kit. O-ring on this PCV. I went with the 5/8 inner diameter, 13/16. No, I went with this one, 9/16 inner diameter, 3/4 outer diameter, and it fits pretty good. And when I go to put it in the engine, it also fits really nice and snug. So that's going to take care of that problem for me. Now this is the heater hose. It's just like a standard coolant hose that's going to plug into this guy here. Have to do a little hose clamp probably to keep that on. But the plan is this will go on this side and then under the rig. And I'm gonna put it in a catch can, I think. Beat it down again on the top. Okay. Pull it from the bottom. And then I gotta figure out where I want this thing. I feel like I could probably get away with maybe sort of like this. What do we think? I could hold it in place there, drop it into a catch can. What if I did this? Pull a little bit more, push it up and through, and then just let it kind of hang out over there. What do we think about that? I could even still zip tie it to the frame here, which I like that idea to keep it from moving. And zip tie it up there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Let's give that a go. So I bought 10 feet, which is obviously not really going to be necessary. I also wonder if I need that other elbow or if I can just kind of come up straight to this. Yeah, I might just try that. Cut like right here. Come on. Hi, shop dog. What's it, your shop dog? Buddy boy. Buddy dog. What you doing? Hey, buddy. Dog. Shop dog. No, shop liver. Okay. Yeah, just like that. I think that's gonna work. I'm gonna get a clamp on that, and just like that, I think we're in business with the PCV relocate kit. We're kind of kinking this hose, but I don't think that's gonna be a big deal. Could just make a 90. It might be better. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. That's the right thing to do. No, almost lost that in the engine bay. That would suck. That's good now. Now I need about that much hose. Where'd my blade go? I had a razor blade somewhere. Really should probably keep track of my stuff a little better. I don't know if this is the razor blade I was using, but it's the one I got now. Okay, couple more hose clamps. Bada bang, bada boom. I think that's great. Yeah, need another glove. Yeah, it seems like a good place for a zip tie. Perfect. Well, we probably don't want to be on the manifold there, so we'll come down here. Yeah, that's better. And then would it be better instead of coming through here to come up over the frame? See what that flavor tastes like. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, I think that's great. Wonderful. I think it's pretty enough. Cool. Done. PCV's bypassed. Moment of truth. That's looking good.